Hi students. So today we are going to solve the questions of the first chapter, that is components of food. So let's get started. So the first question is, name the major nutrients in our food. So the main nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, as well as vitamins and minerals. Okay, so this would be your answer 1. So हमारे फूड में क्या क्या essential nutrients present होते हैं? So that is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Let's move on to question number 2. So question number 2, in this question we have to name the following. So let's proceed. First one, the nutrient which mainly give energy to our body. So it's carbohydrate as well as proteins. Okay, so these are the two nutrients which gives energy to our body. They are called as energy giving foods. Next is the nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of a body. So for growth, हमारे body की growth के लिए हमें चाहिए proteins, and for the maintenance we need minerals. Okay, so your answer will be proteins and minerals. Okay, so don't use this add wala option, better we will write and. Okay, proteins and minerals. Let's move on to the third question. A vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight. हमारा eyesight अच्छा हो, better हो, उसके लिए we require vitamin A to maintain a proper eyesight. Let's move on to the last sub question of question number 2. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy, and definitely that is calcium. Okay, so calcium is required. It keeps our bones healthy. Now we'll move on to question number 3. Name 2 food rich in. So there are different options given. We have to write examples of 2 such foods which are rich in. First one are the fats. The foods that are rich in fats are groundnuts. I'm writing, you can write your own examples. I'm giving you 2 examples. Okay, you can write your own examples as well. Groundnut and butter, these are excellent sources of fats. Starch, we can take an example of rice and potato. Okay, so they are rich in starch. Dietary fibers, so fresh fruits and vegetables में, whole grains में dietary fibers present होते हैं. So that would be the examples of the food providing us with dietary fibers. Last are the proteins. So pulses are an excellent sources of protein. Eggs are excellent sources of protein. Okay, so this was question number 3. Now let's move on to question number 4. So in this question, we have to tick the statements that are correct. Let's move on to the first statement. By eating rice alone, we can fulfill nutritional requirement of a body. So this is not correct. Okay, this is not correct. अगर हम सिर्फ राइस खाएंगे तो हमारा जो बैलेंस डाइट है वो कंप्लीट नहीं होगा, हमें डिफिशियंसी हो जाएगी बाकी न्यूट्रिएंट्स की. Next, deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. That is absolutely true. Okay, so हमारे diet में there should be proper quantity of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, along with dietary fibers and water. Third one, balanced diet for the body should contain variety of food items. As I mentioned, हमारे खाने में carbohydrate rich food, proteins, fats, vitamins and mineral rich food होने चाहिए. Last one, meat alone is sufficient to provide all the nutrients to our body. That is absolutely wrong. Okay, meat is not sufficient alone to provide all the nutrients to our body, because meat can provide us only with proteins. Okay, so that would not be the correct answer. Okay, so now let's solve question number 5. Fill in the blanks. First one, dash is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D. So your answer is rickets. Rickets are caused due to a deficiency of vitamin D. Second one, deficiency of dash causes a disease known as beriberi. So it is because of deficiency of vitamin B1. Third, deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease called as scurvy. And the last one is night blindness is caused due to deficiency of dash in our food. So that will be vitamin A. Vitamin A deficiency leads to night blindness. Okay, अगर हम विटामिन ए हमारे डाइट में नहीं इंक्लूड करेंगे तो हमें रात में देखने में डिफिकल्टी होती है. So with this, we have come to the end of the chapter. I hope you all have enjoyed learning this chapter. Have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.